Hey everyone, it's Carrie from DoubleClick. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I wanted to share a craft swap haul that I did with someone local. I met up with someone. Hey Judy, if you're watching, hi. I had so much fun. Her craft room is amazing. I mean, like amazing. If you've seen my craft room is nothing compared to Judy's. And she was so sweet. I brought a bunch of my supplies that I was ready to pass along to someone else. And then I was able to go through some of her supplies for things that she was looking to pass on. And we ended up doing an exchange. So she ended up with supplies that she wanted from me, and I ended up with supplies that I wanted from her. And it was so much fun. Okay, so the first thing that I swapped, I got these really cute Christmas sentiment stamps. They are just perfect for, the fronts of cards and even the insides of cards. And they're super cute. So you see, most of the stuff I picked out was like holiday themed. I had to grab these 4th of July card stamps. I like 4th of July things, and these were just so cute. This like font is the best. So super cute there. And then this to and from with the Christmas lights, perfect for tags. And this really nice Merry Christmas. It's a really nice size. This is just perfect for the insides of Christmas cards. Okay, and then look at how cute this stamp set is. Halloween Happiness. It's adorable. It's a Stampin' Up. She was a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so she had like the best supplies. So cute there. And I picked up this Merry die cut with the Christmas sentiment stamps. I really like this font for Christmas. So fun. And let me see, let me zoom out just a little bit so you can see all of it. This is Stampin' Up December Wonder. And okay, this got me. Hello December and the Very Merry. So cute. So sweet. These are the clear ones. And then this one is the Watercolor Christmas. The trees got me on this one. And this giant Merriest Christmas Wishes. And this is Filled with Love. Look at how cute that is. I mean, I only have a couple stamped ones that I found at like Goodwill. And look at how great this is. I'm trying not to have my the reflection of the camera in there, but look at this mini envelope. So fun. And then this is one that's a different style. So cute. And then I can't believe it. She had a spare Stamp-A-Majig. I have seriously been looking for this thing for months. Ever since I saw Anna's video on how to use this with the wood mounted stamps. She had a spare. I felt like I was like hit the lottery. Judy, thank you so much for giving me this spare Stamp-A-Majig. I'm definitely going to put it to good use. So excited. And then this pumpkin Martha Stewart punch. I didn't have this one, and it's adorable. I love these pumpkins. It's so cute. So yeah, guys, local crafty swap. That was so much fun. I totally want to do that again. And we were talking about like getting a bunch of our crafty friends together and doing like a massive one. Oh my gosh, how fun would that be to like just do nothing but swap crafty items back and forth, where you show up with a bunch of stuff you're ready to pass along and come home with a bunch of stuff like that you can give a new life to. So excited for that to happen. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.